Hey guys, today we are back with bel-AIRMAIL.
We're really behind on all the stickers, so we thought, why not? Let's do it. First one.
What do you have, E?
I have VinoRatRodbuilds.
Finally, we've got Vino on the hood.
Get it right there.
What do you have?
And we got Woody with
Woody.
metal.
All right, got a couple more.
We have I Spider Garage.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Yep, it's upside down.
There it is.
I'm
Got a rebranding there. Good. What
What's
do you
this
got?
one called? How do you say it?
ForsakenSteel.
And we got ForsakenSteel. Look at this bad boy.
That one's cool.
Goes right next to the important one. This one.
Cool. One more.
and we have MyGreenLawn.
My green lawn.
Whoa, I just
You guys got to check him out. If you want your lawn to look like a golf course
how do you take this?
Call
or
him.
like a baseball stadium or something, we'll get some tips from that dude.
I'm gonna have to start going higher up
They're
there.
not supposed to be all full of holes and weeds like my yard. They're supposed to look like his. Yeah, it's filling up, guys.
Yeah, it's filling up.
We got a 5 over there. Wall art. And this is new too.
Yeah.
One of our biggest fans, Indy Bobson's at Wallen and Sons. 1936 is when Great Grandpa Freddie was born.
Yep.
He's the one that started all this madness. Okay, that's all our friend stickers. We have a couple that we just picked up over the summers. That's that was from Comic-Con.
Yep.
It's,
Right here.
it's got a Michigan in it. Show everybody the Michigan.
Right
There's
there.
the lower.
Then you got
and then
some
the upper.
UPs.
Yeah.
on the side.
And Autobot. That one's cool. And then what do you have? There's another cool Michigan one we picked up.
Make sure to
Pop
feel
that
that
one
out.
up there. You got room? Put it over.
Probably
you
go
got
on
plenty
the
of room.
side, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh.
Nice. A couple more. Oops,
Ah.
dropped it. Here's a big speedway.
Don't drop it.
Put that speedway over there because there's already one on the left.
You're gonna have to get
Here,
weird.
put a Jegs one on there. Found an old school Jegs.
Is there any room for that?
Yeah.
Put it all the way up here. Oh.
Easy.
Dude, that's sponsors.
Easy,
I
man.
don't care if it's sponsored, but we're running our room, so.
But
Yeah,
can you
we'll
just
fill
place
that.
it inside for remember?
Make it contour, make it there you go.
Oh no.
Oh no, you're covering it. No. It'd be okay if it was Wisconsin you're covering, but don't cover Michigan.
Sorry people that are watching from Wisconsin. No offense, but
Is that kicking your butt?
no, not at all.
Okay, here's one here. Grab that tail.
Moto build.
Moto bill.
Moto build.
Remember what that was.
Incorrectly.
Oh no, there's a little lump.
Ah, it's okay. You fix that.
Oh, there's another piece of paper under there.
Oh,
There was one that was split in half. Got her? There you go. Man, it's filling up.
I know. We need to put them on that hood now.
All right, you guys ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
yep.
We are officially covering this up. If we get enough sponsors.
Yeah,
All
we
the way
only
up
got one
there.
sponsor. It's pretty lonely at the top.
Yeah. Let's get him some friends right there.
All right, you guys had enough? Want to get out of here?
Alright. See ya.
Hey guys, one like goal. If we get 100 likes, we'll add some more stickers next time.
Okay.
More companies. And
All right.
hopefully we'll
All
fill
right.
this up
See you
soon.
next time, Citizen.
Bye.